some more, nigga.
Yeah, straight away. Private jet.
Less money.
Yeah. Flight passengers, they'll always get it hard, but all my passengers will get it from the start. Yeah, I got all how me and Ava met. Oh yeah, we sit in the private jet. Yeah, we always have the private jet, sitting in the first class. That's my one. Yeah, me and my friends. Yeah, Rock, Toby, Joe, Elijah. Yeah, it was funny. Yeah, $5,000 jet in the hood. Yeah, that's not what we always check. Cause that's not what we always met. Yeah. Go to clouds, birds die in the heavens. Yeah, this is not how me and Ava met in the private jet. On the private jet, we always have girls in the hood. Yeah, that's not how we met. That's how we met. Yeah, me and Ava so pretty from the heart. Yeah. Oh man, nigga, I haven't been on the hood. Yeah, bless God, I can fly from the heaven. Yeah, how the heaven's gate opens up. Yeah, but that's not how it works. Yeah, the heaven's gate, the local will get up. Yeah, and that's the only place I want to go to. Yeah, instead of Chicago, Los Angeles, California. That's not why we met. Yeah, but two just stands in the house here. But that's what I meant. That's what I meant. Can't tell. Yeah. Taking up the private jet. Yeah, let's go. But how could life be without all my private jet? Yeah, that's the only thing I want on my present for Christmas, Valentino. Yeah, good Ava. My good money.